Good day, CNC warriors. Welcome to Iscar Plus in Auckland, New Zealand, where we say no to slow when it comes to machining. Today, I have a cutter for you that got no time for slow time. Today, I'm going to introduce to you the new member of the fast feed line from Iscar. Let's have a closer look. This is the NeoFeed, the new fast feed cutter from Iscar. This features an insert with 8 cutting edges. When mounted, features a highly positive rake. And if you've seen my videos, you know what that means. Positive rake, smoother cutting, less power on the machine, and you can feed way faster. The insert design for where it sits in the cutter pocket actually has a dovetail shape. You know what that means? The clamping of the insert is going to be so rigid and so reliable, so you can just smash it. The job that is, and with positive rake and 8 cutting edges, this is already a winner. What about the extra load there? Well, you don't really have to worry about it because this insert features a special reinforced cutting edge, which means when you're milling up against a wall, the insert will still be able to take the load. These cutters start at 50 mm in diameter and goes all the way up to 100 mm. And you don't have to worry about buying different inserts either, because this insert is one size fit them all. So let's have a look at this high feed cutter in action in this machine behind us. If you want a fast, economical and a high metal removal solution for your roughing, talk to your local rep about NeoFeed today. And if you like our videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if there is something you would like to see in our videos, do let us know in the comments below. And this is Iscar, where we got no time for slow time. I don't want